Alright, here's my oxygen water review. Now this was made with a berry maker. It's not like your dissolved oxygen. This was a specific, like, highly chilled. Now I think it's like 30 degrees or lower, I forget. Using ice. A giant berry maker. Like, I'm talking like one that's like takes up the middle size of a room. And oxygen tank, medical oxygen tank. So we're going to see just the sound of the pop. I'm going to take and pour some in this glass, and we're going to see how it is. Now, I guess I will turn off my fan and make it a little more quieter. Alright, now, here's the cork that we have. Now we'll see just how, what kind of pop we get. Very carefully. Hear that sizzle? That one didn't quite pop. But you heard the sizzle. I don't think I did it right. That was a lot of gas that you heard, right? Try this. I'll have a nice glass of this stuff. Put the cap back on. Now we'll look at it. See if I can focus. Kind of see. You can almost see the oxygen flowing around in the bubbles. See it? Like it's like carbonated. Pretty crazy, right? All right, let's try it. Wow. Insanely refreshing. Some of the best tasting water I've had. Ooh, man. I tell you, I can feel the oxygen already. Let's try some more of it. Real nice right here. You want to get that oxygen right in your body. Oh, yeah. Whew. It's like, I don't know, really refreshing. Drinking this, it's almost like you taste the crispest water. It doesn't have a flavor to it. It's cold. Very refreshing. You almost feel like you're breathing out like oxygen. It's like breathing gets so much easier. Oh yeah. And I worked my way up to being able to drink more and more of this. When I first started drinking it, I could only handle like a tablespoon at a time. Maybe 2 tablespoons. And then now I guzzle down a glass of it. I'm going to order the smaller individual size bottles with the same cork like this. And that way I have some more individual size ones. So again, I love it. I think it's great. This oxygenated oxygen water. I'll get a video of the making of it and all that. And it'll be kind of pretty sick. So, till then, I guess we'll end this one. And now, I might say and add on to this video that this stuff has a bunch of medical claims to it. It was a friend of my uncle. My uncle met a doctor when he was on vacation, and the doctor invented this stuff right here, and he patented it, and he was getting it FDA approved. And I don't know, something happened, or it's not. It's taken a long time, so. But he ended up getting a machine because he taught them how to do it. So they ended up getting it. It's like a beer machine, like a big one, and an oxygen tank, and I'll get the whole setup, and whew, I can already feel it. It's gotten me feel a little like lightheaded, not too much, but like, you know what I mean. I can feel anyone who's experienced like the oxygen getting a lot in you. Yeah, it's great. Now, so they end up getting the machine, and they start producing the stuff, and now it's at a family friend's house, close, and he comes over every week for dinner, and then we got this water is coming in. I don't know. Every few weeks we get more of it, so, and we go there and make it. I'm gonna see if at some point I can get my own machine, but like I said, this takes up a lot of space. This is a big thing, so it's kind of like at his, and I like to kind of maybe keep it there, but I'm gonna kind of make some more of this stuff and make it more miniature. And doesn't this though look like the Flowberry Fizz from the Fortnite? It's straight up Flowberry Fizz right here. You hear the hiss that came off that when I popped that lid. Nice hiss, like soda. It's like a soda, and if you hit it just right, it'll come flying off. But this, the metal cage is a bit tough on this one. It hasn't been worked as much, but again, that's pretty nice, right? I gotta teach you guys how to make it, and you can make this yourself.